Hello to all! Welcome to Loisan Home Cooking. Today we are going to cook chicken, fried chicken a la Max fried chicken. So, easy steps. Yan, madali lang no steps to cook Max fried chicken. We just need soy sauce. I always use the soy sauce, OFC soy sauce, citrus, lemon. So this is the chicken. I marinated the whole night with soy sauce and lemon, and then we have pepper, black pepper, bay leaves, garlic, and onions. Later, guys, we will use this. And also, now this is ready for cooking. So this is what I prepared. Water, boiling water. I boiled water already. Yan. Pinakuluan ko na po yung ating kalaan ng tubig. So now we are going to add the bay leaves, yung ating garlic, and onions. And also our pepper, black pepper. So yan po. Yan. Pakuluin muna natin, tapos ilagay natin yung ating marinated chicken. Ito yun. We will boil the chicken. Then after that, 20 minutes. Then after that, we will going to fry our chicken para siya malutong, to be that it will be a crispy Max fried chicken. So yan. So yan, i-add na po natin yung ating marinated chicken overnight. We are going to boil it. Para malasa siya. At maging crispy later. Pag nag-fried na tayo ng mantika. Later on. Yan. So, yan. Yan. Ibuboy lang natin yan. Yeah. So, yan na po. Yan po. Yan, pinakuluan ko na po yung ating manok. Look at this. I think this is done. Yan, pwede na natin yang tapos na yan. So, we can take it out and we can fry it in the oil later. Fried. So, it will become crispy. Yan, pwede na yan iprito. Tapos na yan. It's ready. Yan. Nito ko na yung ating chicken na marinated overnight. Ayan. Lagyan ko ng konting butter para crispy siya. So, now I fried the chicken, guys. That I marinated the whole night, and I put a little bit butter in the oil so it will become crispy, more crispy. So, yan. We have to wait until it will get fried. So, yan na po. Yan po yung ating manok. Yan. Malapit na yan, maluto. So, this is our max fried chicken style. Be careful po. Be careful. Tumatalsik yung mantika. So, be careful. Yeah. Yan. Yan. Malapit na. Maluto. Yung ating tanghalian. So, yan. Wow! So, this is our finished max fried chicken. Yan. Ready na tayong kumain. Let's eat. Bon appetit. It's crispy. Yan. So, until next time. Goodbye. And matzai. Our ready max fried chicken. So let's eat. Yan, very crispy.